Have you ever checked your blood pressure at home and panicked because the numbers look too high or too low? Well, what if I told you that your blood pressure might actually be perfectly fine, but the timing and method you used gave you a false reading? Yes, you heard that right. Millions of people around the world are checking their blood pressure incorrectly, and they don't even know it. But today, I'll walk you through exactly how and when to check your blood pressure the right way, so you can trust your readings and truly understand your health. So stay with me till the end, because these small mistakes might be making a huge difference in your results. Let's start with something most people don't realize. Timing is everything. Your blood pressure naturally changes throughout the day. It's usually lower in the morning, right after you wake up, higher during stress or activity, and can drop again when you're relaxed or sleeping. So if you check it right after a big meal, after exercise, or while you're stressed, your readings may show higher numbers than your actual average. Idea tip number 1. The best time to check your blood pressure is twice a day. First reading, in the morning, about 30 minutes after waking up, before breakfast, and before taking any medication. Second reading, in the evening, around the same time daily, but before dinner. And always make sure to stay consistent with the timing. Tip number 2. Posture matters more than you think. Did you know that even crossing your legs can raise your blood pressure reading by up to 10 points? That's a huge difference. Here's the correct posture. A. Sit in a comfortable chair with your back supported. B. Keep both feet flat on the floor, no crossing legs. C. Rest your arm on a table with the cuff at heart level. D. Sit quietly for at least 5 minutes before taking the measurement. No talking, no phone scrolling, no TV. Just calm breathing. Because stress or talking can cause small spikes that lead to inaccurate results. Tip number 3. Avoid these common triggers before measuring. Many people don't realize that some everyday habits can mess up your reading, so avoid the following 30 minutes before checking. No smoking, caffeine like coffee or tea, heavy meals, exercise, stressful conversations. Even something as simple as rushing to check your pressure after climbing stairs can give you a false high reading. Take a moment to relax and breathe before you start. Tip number 4. The cuff size and placement are critical. If your cuff is too small, it can show falsely high readings. If it's too large, you may get low readings. So always use a cuff that fits your arm. Wrap it around your bare upper arm about 1 inch above the bend of your elbow, and make sure it's snug but not too tight. If you're using a digital monitor, double-check the instructions and follow them exactly. Tip number 5. Take multiple readings and track them. Instead of relying on a single number, take 2 or 3 readings, 1 minute apart. Then, average them to get a more accurate result. Write them down in a logbook or a mobile app. Over time, you'll notice patterns. This helps your doctor get a clearer picture of your health. Remember, one random high reading doesn't mean you have hypertension, but consistent high readings are what matter most. Bonus tip: know the ideal range. For most adults, a normal blood pressure is around 120 by 80 mmHg. Anything below 90 by 60 is considered low. Above 130 by 80 could indicate high blood pressure. But everyone's body is different, so always discuss your readings with your doctor, especially if you're getting consistent highs or lows. Here's why accuracy matters. Inaccurate readings can lead to unnecessary stress or even wrong medications. Imagine thinking you have hypertension when you don't, or missing real signs of danger because your method is off. By checking correctly, you're taking control of your health with confidence. It's not just about numbers. It's about understanding your body's signals the right way. So, next time you reach for your blood pressure monitor, remember, right time, right posture, right conditions, right method. A few simple steps can make a world of difference in your health journey. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to Envelish for more life-changing health insights, and share this video with your loved ones, because everyone deserves to know the right way to check their health. Stay healthy, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next video.